Do you have a Lincoln MKT or an MKS and the touch functions aren't working on your radio dual climate control? Welcome back everyone, I'm Ernest with UpFix. Today I'm going to quickly go over the radio climate control unit specifically for the Lincoln MKT and MKS models, what issues it suffers from, and what you can do to have it working again. Due to the touch capacitive resistance technology used for these particular units with no haptic feedback, it can be a little frustrating using this climate control, especially since the buttons don't move when you press them. Instead, it uses touch capacitive resistance, which means when you press any button on it, a digital signal is sent to the corresponding control modules, which in turn turns on what particular button is designed to do. The info display will show these changes as well. Over time, the touch feature on these radio climate control interfaces start to fail due to poor connections and oxidization, which can affect your comfort and convenience, especially since there are two power buttons on it, one for the radio and one for the climate control. Now, if certain buttons have stopped responding to touch, or the entire unit is no longer working correctly, you can actually get it rebuilt and restore functionality again. Due to these units failing at an unusually high rate after a certain amount of years, purchasing a used one from eBay or the junkyard is no guarantee that you won't have the same issues, or it might have other buttons that have issues as well. The prices for these used have skyrocketed, and new ones are becoming harder to find. We have another solution for you. Send your radio climate control interface to UpFix, where we will fully bench test each and every function with our custom-made bench test rig to ensure that it works and carry out the repairs needed. When you get it back, it's as easy as reinstalling and having all your buttons working again. Carefully pack your part and mail it in. Our certified UpFix repair technicians will repair your part and keep you up to date along each step of the repair process. If you like this video and would like to see more like this, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, leave your questions down in the comments below, and thanks for watching.